Okay, it's my late midnight food. Alright. So this is watermelon salad with some salmon, canned salmon. And then my chicken and pasta soup. Ayun. Kain na. Masarap pala yung watermelon na may ranch dressing at saka salmon. Canned salmon. Sarap pala maging salad. In-experiment ko yun. Actually, masarap pala na habang kumakain ka ng steak tapos watermelon yung kasabay. Parang nababalanse yung yung lasa. Main course and dessert at the same time.